Daddy, does this picture?
I don't think it's video. Does it have a red on the screen? Does
No.
it show 3 red letters?
Oh no.
See it? What letters?
It's R-E-C.
The streets of San Francisco have never been cleaner. It's crazy. There's like no one out here.
Good job reading those words earlier.
You go right. You go right.
I can listen and I can learn.
Exactly. But when people try to tell you just remember it, and you go the easy way and you remember it, then
It's
you
not
can't.
gonna help.
No, you can't. It's not gonna help. Good job. Because look, you know what I was thinking about in the shower? I wasn't trying to be funny, right? But I was just thinking like, because I was feeling like maybe am I wrong for making her learn the sound, like do it the hard way, you know, instead of memorizing it, right?
Mm-hmm.
But then I was thinking like, okay, somebody like you, right?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't grow up around, like, you know, there's John Muir Hospital, all these things. When you see it, you say through ear,
Uh-huh.
right?
I
But
always say here, even if you tell me to say it all the way.
yeah,
This is where the shoe is. It was like in here on the backside though.
yeah. So
The Mazzi shoe. But go ahead, bud.
when you see it, I don't know if it makes sense now that I'm saying it, but when I was thinking it, it made sense. When you say it, you say mu ear, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, okay, that's because that's the sounds that you're first thinking, right? But it could be with like, it could be because of what you know. Like,
Yeah, no fact.
hi, Sonari. Hi. Are you having a good time? No. I like your hair. Ah, kicking my toes in the sand. All right, guys, so we are here in San Francisco, California, at the beach, chilling. What beach is this? Ocean Beach. We're at Ocean Beach, and we are chilling. Me and Sonari are in the tent by ourselves. I don't know if you guys can see them, but those other two people are right there at afar, making a sand castle. So me and Sonari are just gonna be chilling in here for a second and getting our. Uh-oh. You like it? Uh-oh. Let's see. Ah! Nope, not working. But getting our relax on. It's just so nice to come out and just be unbothered. Just like laying on the beach. It was funny because me and my sisters were having a conversation because we're supposed to be going on vacation next year. I was like, I can just feel, this is yesterday, I'm like, I could just feel the warm sand in my toes. And what do you know? The sand is now in my toes, even though they're not done. I'll give you guys a show. But y'all know what, oh no, I don't know, I'm scared. Y'all know what this quarantine life is about, so the toes ain't done. So that's the only kind of picture y'all gonna get. This pedicure is like 2 months old. What? What? The little girl? You want the ball? Look at those people over there. You guys. Okay, so you guys can see, like, I don't know if anybody's ever been to Benihana, but I had to sing my daughter the Benihana's birthday song in order to put her to sleep. She is not feeling the beach at all, whatsoever. Little Miss Thing is back. Was it fun playing with building the castle? sink. Nothing will happen. Look. If anything, your feet will just sink. It's okay. It's just saying you can't get hurt right now. It's impossible for you to get hurt right now.
I did it.
There you go. See? You gotta give him no fears, boy. Hey. That was fun. I want to come out here without Zanari crying, and I want to just go to sleep for like 5 hours. That's it. You're gonna put your shoes on in a second, Asha. Oh, my feet are burning. These houses are so nice, guys. Like, I just love San Francisco. Can't wait to buy a house here. What about you? You still want to buy a house here or no?
You know, I do, but then I don't. I think I'd rather buy a house in Berkeley, like I said.
Oh, yeah.
Asha, did you have fun at the beach?
No,
Why not?
you didn't play with me.
I did play with you.
Yeah, but you didn't play so much longer.
You want me to play longer? I can't play forever.
Why?
Cause it's time to come home. Yeah?
I just really want to do that much longer.
Huh?
I just really wanted to do it much longer.
You want to do it much longer? It's okay. We'll go again.
Next time you're going to do it much longer?
Yeah. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Love you.
You, Dad.
Yeah.
Garbage.
This garbage? Okay. Hold on. Ash. Is that you? Let me see your hair, please. It looks so cute. Why are you giving me thumbs down?